Dragonstaff Floats. So start off holding your hands side by side, let it drop and rock backwards and forth like this, swap hands, and this is the pendulum style. Now, if you give it a little bit more oomph, so hold the staff, push it down, it'll raise up above the horizontal. Now, if you raise your holding hand up with the staff, you'll end up with a float, like this. Now, as the staff goes up and down, you don't need to hold the staff at all, you're just supporting it. So you match the rotational momentum of the staff with your hand, and end up with this action happening. So one hand, you don't need to hold the staff, two hands. Now we can start it rolling. So get it rolling down the run. So pass two hand backwards and forwards and get this pendulum action starting to go. This forearm pass can be a little bit awkward at first. So get used to that. So as the staff rolls up, give it a bit more of a spin so it starts going a little bit higher than it should. Give it a spin and raise it up and down. And get used to that floating action. If that's easy, you can start with one-handed. So as it goes down to your fingers, over your hands and up. Sorry, get it quicker. So you can do one-handed or two-handed, right? Now we can add into something like chi rolls. So start from a chi roll. When both your hands are out in front of you and the bag of stuff is sitting on them, like this position here, you can let go of one hand, stuff folds, rolls down, do your hand pass in the middle and lift up to the float, right? So doing a chi roll like this, rolls down. Oops, not lifting enough. And then just catch the staff and go back into your chi roll. So this is chi roll rolling towards you. Let it go, pass, float, catch again. Now if you start doing your chi rolls with actual one of your four types, so if you can do this, it makes it easier, because you're away from you, forwards and backwards spin as the staff comes around. Oops, that was a float. Now it's some transition. So when you're doing your floats as they're coming up, any time the staff is floating, you can move the staff to a different point in your body. So for example, as it gets to the high up here above your head, you can duck underneath anytime you wish. So we do an example. Over. So when you first do this, stick both your arms out and catch it, and just go into your like a standard chi roll. Okay. So if we start here, we'll roll down the arm, up over your head, catch. Roll towards you. It also helps a little if you can do, oops, if you can do this one here.